So briefly, this is the vent fitted, which I'm rather happy about. Quite pleased with that. It's all gone quite well. There is an issue that I'm not so happy with. I can't even see that. There is an issue that I'm not so happy about, and that is my fault. When I fitted this, everything was good, it all went well, but the rain came back. When the rain came back, I had just put these blobs on top of all the screws, ready to then go around and sort of smooth them all out so that it looks, you know, like this around the sides, only tidier. Except, small problemette, it started belting down with rain again, and I forgot. So I've been driving around with this for 2 or 3 days actually, looking like it's been icinged like a cake. Now there is the problem I've got with this is that this one on this corner here is leaking, because as you can see I haven't got very much of the Sikaflex on that. So I'm going to have to come back up here, peel all this lot off, which probably won't take an awful lot of work, to be honest, and then put a line of Sikaflex around it and seal them all back in properly before it ruins the ceiling, which I have been fitting, and you'll see more of that shortly. By the way, if you're getting value from the videos that I'm doing and you're interested in following them, then subscribe, hit the subscribe button below and the little bell, and that'll tell you when I'm putting more stuff up. And you can follow me on my journey with Jenny Dubb. Cool. Have a good day.